Today, I'm going to show you the smartest way to display posts from a specific category on any page of your WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a dynamic, always updated list of blog posts, no plugins required, using the incredibly flexible query loop block. If you've ever wished you could turn a plain page into a curated gallery of relevant content, or spotlight only the posts that belong to a certain category, stick around. This guide will make it easy. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to add something called the query loop block. Think of the query loop block as your custom news feed. It pulls in blog posts automatically based on the filters you choose. So you'll never have to manually copy and paste links or update the page when you write a new post. Head over to the page you want to edit. Click the little plus icon, that's the Add Block button you'll find at the top left, or within the page itself wherever you want the list to appear. Start typing query loop in the search box. You'll see it pop up, usually with a little stacked rectangle icon. Click on that and you'll see a few layout options right away: grid, list, and more. For now, just pick any starting layout. You can always change or customize it later. Now, with your new query loop block selected, let's make sure it only shows posts from the category you care about, not every blog post on your site. Take a look to the right, that's your block settings panel. If you don't see it, just tap the gear icon at the top right of your editor. It'll open up the sidebar. Under Filters, you'll see an option for taxonomies. Click the plus sign there and select Categories. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and start typing the name of the category whose posts you want featured. For example, if you want only your travel articles to appear, type travel and select it from the suggestions. Instantly, your list updates to show only posts filed under that category. No more sifting through unrelated articles. Now your readers see exactly what you want them to, whether that's recipe posts, news updates, or personal stories. Alright, next is customizing how your posts actually look. The default layouts are a great start, but you have much more power to shape the display. Maybe you want a clean list of post titles, or a beautiful grid with images and publication dates. With the query loop block, you can add, remove, or rearrange what shows up for each post. To do this, just click inside one of the post previews in your query loop. You'll see each item, like the post title, featured image, date, or excerpt, displayed as its own tiny block. Want to highlight the post date? Drag it above the title. Don't need the image, click to remove it. You can even add extra blocks like a read more link or the author's name using the Add Block button inside the query loop rows. This deep customization lets you match the style of your site or the needs of your readers perfectly without any code. Now, sometimes things may not look exactly how you want on the first try, and that's totally normal. Play around, experiment, and remember, you can preview your page at any time before publishing changes. If you're working with a lot of categories or custom post types, just repeat the process for each one, adding as many query loop blocks as you need. And that's it, you've set up a self-updating feed of posts for any page or any category in WordPress, all with just the built-in query loop block. No plugins, no coding, just smart, modern WordPress tools. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or got stuck on a step, drop a comment below. I always love helping out. For more easy WordPress tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website.